Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Today I am back again because after so many days. So today I am going to make Chicken Kosha Vindalu. This I am going to make very differently. I hope you all will like it. If you are new to my channel, please comment, share, subscribe. This is 750 grams chicken which I have taken. All this I am going to put it raw, and then the next step I will show after this cooks up. So first of all, I have taken the chicken here. I will put this in here. Then I have taken masala here. This is ground up, and it's not ground very fine. You can see it's not ground so fine because I kept it like this to make the chicken kosha vindalu. So I have used over here garlic, dhania, jeera, black mustard and black pepper. All this I have used over here to make this paste, so I will use this in this chicken. I will put the bay leaves also. Put some chili powder. This is onion sliced up. I will put this also. Put some turmeric powder. Put some salt to taste. Put the mustard oil. Now I will mix this little bit this way. This type I have mixed it. Now once and for all I will put the water, because second time I won't put the water. So how much water I need, so much water I will put here. I have put the water. I have taken khara garam masala. This also I will put in. I will put in one tomato also. Now I will cover this up and let this cook now. Friends, you can see the oil floating on top here. Now I will fry the chicken. The water also is dried up. Now I will kaso the chicken nicely in the oil here. You can see the oil coming out. Now I'll kaso the chicken with the masala. Friends, two types of vindalu I made. That is one vindalu which I have made frying the masalas first and then putting the meat and all. And this is another type of vindalu which I put everything raw, and now I am frying the masala along with the meat, the chicken. So it's different. So there are two types which I have made. One type I have already put in the video long time ago. Friends, I will use some vinegar. I have put some vinegar. Now I will fry the masalas and the vinegar and the chicken together. This vinegar I have used, it will give it acid taste. It will be little sour to eat. It will be different also to eat. This Vindalu will be dry little bit, not much gravy. Dry Vindalu, Chicken Kosha Vindalu. Friends, my Chicken Kosha Vindalu is ready. Friends, my Chicken Kosha Vindalu is ready.